Hi, I am Jordan.
Are you Jordan or hi or?
Hi, I'm Jordan.
Hi, I'm a Frankfurt.
Today we are building the Mould King Models number off-road truck.
That's right. It's number 13082. It's 14 plus.
And it's got 3,695 pieces.
Plus 3695 plus. That means it's got 36956. Let's have a look. It's the Hoonigan, right? It's a Hoonigan.
Ken Block's
Hoonigan truck. It's obviously Ford. Does it say Ford? No, I think it says Frod or Frodge. It looks cool. It's twin turbo. It's remote control.
Yeah, buddy.
That's the front of the box.
Front of the Hoonigan box.
This is a big one. Big one, bro.
Big one.
Back of
the Hoonigan box.
You get one large motor, two extra large motors,
one MK4 battery pack, one remote control,
and some wheels.
And 4 extra large wheels.
It's 61.5 centimeters long, 26.5 centimeters wide,
and 17.5 centimeters high.
It's a big one. I think it's Lego supercar size. If you've seen the other Hoonigan that we built on the channel,
the other one
the
with
Mustang,
the motors,
it's that size, I reckon. We'll compare it at the end. It's full remote control. It's got fans on the back.
It's got a gearbox and a moving steering wheel.
Bonnet opens.
To show John.
So John driving it. No, not John. Ken.
Fred.
Ken Block. And the doors open. You know what to do now?
Mould it.
No. You know what to do now?
See what you get in the boxing set. Yeah.
Oh, it's heavy too. How many bags, Jordan? Quick.
24,395.124 to be exact.
So 24.
Yeah.
I reckon about 18 bags, a big Betty Bobtown book, and
3 books.
6 million stickers. That's it. No, it's a kid. How many is that? 7, 8, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
What'd you say?
24, 21, 22, 23.
23.
And the thick Bob book.
Thick Betty Bobtown, whatever I said, book. It's shrink wrapped. Why doesn't Lego shrink wrap? That's a lot of bags.
And there's one bag just for all these little blue
I like
pieces.
that. I like that Mould King just put all the blue ones in one bag.
And it's called John.
I think they do that with the black ones too. Look, they do it here. All the little knobby jewels.
All the little red knobbies and the fans.
I like that. Like I said, 27 bazillion stickers. In other words, 46.
6.
It says Honigan. It says Honigan. It says first, not Ford. It says first. Mouldy tires. Well, there's a lot of pages. Okay, the last step is 737. If you guessed that at home, you win nothing. The last 2 steps are just stickers, right? Which I probably won't do because I didn't do it in the last one. Especially if it's Honigan.
Honigan. And
you know what to do now?
Build it!
24 bags. Build.
23.
Yeah.
finished Mould King build.
of the off-road truck /
Shuby.
Honigan.
Honigan.
Honigan. Right, let me show you around, Jords. It is twin turbo V6. It's got opening bonnet, and that engine, pistons actually go up and down. Can you see them? The yellow pistons.
Yeah, I see that.
Can't tell it's remote control. The front looks like a Ford. It's got opening doors with
They're
springs.
Not that flimsy.
No, they're pretty good. It's got racing seats that don't recline.
But they're a movie.
It's got a gear lever and a hydraulic handbrake.
Oh shit.
Yeah, gear lever is the shifter too, which you can see there, and it's actually like spring loaded, like a sequential. Side exhaust. It's got
Bugatti wheels, but they're
chrome.
chrome.
Yep.
I was about to say crystal.
The other one had what colour?
Red.
Yep, and the Bugatti's
And
blue. Yep. It's got a chrome spoiler. It's got this big roll cage in the back.
Massive roll cage.
Yeah. That's the motor to steer, which its steering is pretty.
Hard because it doesn't turn that much.
It's pretty caca-poo-poo. You've got to
Like,
hold this down.
And then look at the
yeah.
wheels, they barely move. Don't even think you guys can see that. It doesn't want to move.
It's not really like remote. Making it remote control seems like it was a second thought, right? Because I think you can buy it without the remote stuff. But it drives, and it's got these cool fans at the back.
That when you go forward, the fans move.
Let's compare it to. Hang on. Let's get the other one in. Ready? Whoa!
It's here!
It's a bit dusty.
Yeah.
They're about the same size. The turbos seem to be bigger on the Mustang.
Ooh, or they just popped out more.
Yeah, they hang out the bonnet more. But the Mustang's V8, this one's V6. This one was first, I think, in Ken Block's Gymkhana videos. And then he went to the twin turbo Mustang. And then he went to Subaru, Audi, all the other brands. These are nice. I like them. They look cool.
And they are very similar.
Very similar build, very similar look. Let us know which one you like better. Which one do you like better, John? Mustang? Yeah, I think I like the Mustang better, but I like how this is remote control. I just don't like how bad the remote control is in it.
Same.
Thanks for watching.
See you next time. Bye.